Good evening, everyone. Now, today we are going to explain the complex number problem from NCERT book, which is CBSE based book, as you know. And after completion of exercise 5.1 and exercise 5.2 and 3, we will start ISC, which is the ICSE board problems, which I have already discussed earlier in my previous video. So please, you are most welcome in my channel, Mathematics Rose. Please like and subscribe the channel and share also to your friends. So first of all, we are coming to the topic. Every theoretical topic I have discussed except one is left, which I will explain. That is the algebra of complex number. Here, each of the following complex number given in the exercise 5.1 of NCERT book, question number 1 to question number 10, in the form of a plus ib. So here the complex number are given. All the complex number from question number 1 to question number 10. All questions I have written over here, and here we have to express them in a standard form. So this is in a standard form of the complex number. This is also known as standard form of complex number. ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में हमको लिखना है. The first question is 5i into minus 3 by 5i. So 5 will cancel. So here minus 3 into I square. So it is minus 3 into, as iota square is equal to minus 1, everybody knows. So it is plus 3. And this can be written as 3 plus I into 0, because we have to write in the form of a plus ib. So it is b. There is no term of I, so that is why I have taken b is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the answer. Now next is I to the power 9 and I to the power 19. As you know, answer solution here. I to the power 4 is equal to minus 1. So you will have to divide 9 by 4. So what you are getting, for 2 is 8, and then remainder is 1. And 19 you will have to divide by 4. 4 is 16. So 16, and we are getting remainder 3 over here. So I to the power 9 plus I to the power 19 can be written as, the remainder is, because I to the power 4 is equal to 1. So this is I to the power 1. This I to the power 9 becomes I to the power 1. And this I to the power 19 becomes I to the power 3. So we can write I. As you know that I cube is equal to minus I, because I square is equal to minus 1. So that is why I cube is equal to I square into I. So that is, it is equal to minus 1. So here we will write minus I. So plus minus will cancel. So it becomes 0. So 0 can be written as 0 plus I into 0. So this is in the form of a plus ib. Hope you will understand it. So now next, here is I to the power minus 39. We have to write it in the form of a plus ib. So here you just divide 39 by 4. 4 9 is 36. So we are getting 3. So just directly you can write I to the solution. I to the power minus 39 can be written as I to the power, what is the remainder? 3. So minus 3. So you can write it I1 by I to the power plus 3 from the index rule, and I cube, you know, minus I cube. I cube is equal to minus I, since you know I cube is equal to I square minus I, so it is equal to minus I square is equal to minus 1. So here you will rationalize by multiplying by I, so it is I divided by minus I square, and minus I square is equal to plus 1, because I square is equal to minus 1, so it is minus 1 into minus, so it becomes plus 1, so it is I divided by 1, so it is I. So this can be written as 0 plus 1 into I, or you can write 0 plus I into 1. So this is in the form of A plus IB. So hope you will understand it. There is no problem. Now next, question number 4, solution. So now here is the solution. Here 3 under bracket 7 plus I into 7i eta plus I under bracket 7 plus I7. So here we will multiply over here. So this is 21 plus 21i, and this is 7i, and then plus 7i square. So in place of I square you will have to put minus 1. So 21, and this is equal to I and I. Both terms will be the imaginary terms. So it is 28i plus 7 into minus 1. So it is equal to 21, and then minus 7 will come. So you will have to write together real part, and then 28i. So if you will subtract over here, it is 14 plus 28i. So it is in the form of, you can write it 14 plus I into 28, or in terms of A plus IB. So you are writing first. So this is the answer. Now next. Next we will see here the question number 5. Question number 5, 1 minus I under bracket minus 1 plus 6i, or iota into 6. So here solution. So 1 minus I minus plus, so minus 6i I am writing. So now this is equal to 1 plus 1 2, this plus this is equal to 2, and minus I and minus 6i, so it is equal to 2 minus 7i. So you can write it 2 minus I into 7. So it is in the form of A plus IB, or A plus IB, because A is equal to 2 and B is equal to minus 7. So this is the answer of the question. Up to this you have understood. I think there will be no problem at all. Now here the question is question number 6. So here we have to find out, we have to write this in the form of A plus IB. So 1 by 5 plus iota into 2 by 5 minus, this is minus sign, so 4 plus iota into 5 by 2. So here solution, 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 I am habituated with multiplying by I, that is why I am writing minus 4, and then it is 5 by 2 I. Then we will write the real terms together. So this is real terms. So 1 by 5 minus 4, and then 2 by 5 I minus 5 by 2 I. So now here is in the denominator there is 1 5. So here is 5 minus 20. We have taken the LCM, simple, and now it is 10. 2 to the 4 I minus, it is here divided by 2, so 5 5 is 25, so I. So here it will subtract, so minus 19 by 5, and if you will subtract here, so we will get minus 21. That minus will become minus into plus will become minus 21 by 10 I. So hope this is the answer of this question. Minus 19 by 5 minus 21 by 10 I. So here we will write again minus 19. See, here I am writing minus 19 by 5 minus iota first and then 21 by 10 iota into this. So this is in the form of A plus IB. So we have expressed, so this is the answer. Or if you will write up to this is also the correct answer. So there will be no problem at all. So now the next question, question number 7, where we have to simplify this expression in which this is the complex number, this is also, and this is complex number, in which real and imaginary parts are given. So we will have to write real part together and imaginary part together, and after that we will express in the form of A plus IB. So here we can write solution. Solution 1 by 3 plus 4. This is 1 by 3. This is 4, and this is minus into minus plus, so plus 4 by 3, and here it is 7 by 3 I am writing, and then it is plus 1 by 3 I, and here minus into this I, so minus I, so minus I you will write. Be careful to write this sign. So suppose this is in the first 3 real numbers, so real part, so 3 is the LCM, so 1, 3 4 is 12, and then it is 4, and here is nothing, so 1, so it is LCM will be 3, so 7I plus 1I minus 3I, so it becomes 12 plus 4 16 plus 1 17 by 3, and here if you will subtract 8I minus 3I, so it is 5I, so plus 5I divided by 3. So here you can write that 17 by 3 plus iota into 5 by 3. So this is in the form of A plus IB. So this is the answer. If you are writing up to this is also the answer, but it is told that iota will be written because multiplication, you know that the multiplication is commutative. Suppose A into B, then it is B into A. So commutative law holds. So you will have to write up to this. So now it is very clear to you. So next we are coming to the question number 8. Now the solution is, I am writing 1 minus I to the power 4. So use 1 minus I to the power 2 into 1 minus I to the power 2. Not I am writing the I to the power 4. Directly we can write with the help of I to the power 4. So why should I will make a lengthy? So this is A minus B whole square. So 1 minus 2I, then it is I square, and here again it is 1 minus 2I, and then it is I square. And as we know that I square is equal to minus 1, so put here. So this we have to put. So here we will write 1 minus 2I and then minus 1 in place of I square, 1 minus 2I, then minus 1. So this and this will cancel, this and this one cancel. So it is minus 2I and then minus 2I. So it is equal to 4I square. Minus minus multiplication means it is plus. So it is 4I square. Now it is visible to you. The 4I square and then I square is equal to -1, so substitute into -1, so -4, and that can be written as -4 plus 0 into I. So it is in the form of 0 into I, not right, 0 into I into 0. So A plus IB. It is in this form. So this is the answer. So now we are coming to next question, question number 9. It is A plus B whole cube form. It is, so as you know that A plus B whole cube, solution here, whole cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB and a bracket A plus B. So now here 1 by 3 plus 3I whole cube. So this is 1 by 3 whole cube and 3I whole cube, and then 1 by 3 into 3I under bracket 1 by 3 plus 3I, because in place of A it is 1 by 3, in place of B 3I. So now it is 1 by 3 means 1 by 3, 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, and it is 27I cube, and 3 will cancel over here, so only I is left, multiply with this I, so it is 1 by 3I and then 3 into I square, I square, as we know that I cube is equal to minus I and I square is equal to -1, so we will substitute over here. So here 1 by 27, and if we will substitute -1 in the place of I, it will become -3, so this will be written together, and here in 27 into -I you will write, and this is 1 by 3I. So it is, take here in the real part, LCM is 27, so 1 minus 27 into 3, so it is 81, 81, and then it is, here you will take the LCM also, so 3 is the LCM, so it is 81 minus 81I and plus I, so it will become minus 80 by 27, and here minus plus subtract it, so it is minus 80I by 3. So here we can write minus 80 by 27 minus iota into 80 by 3, 80 by 3. So this is in the form of A plus IB. So hope it is clear to you. So this is the question number 9. This is question number 9. I think a little bit I will see, because the answer is not coming, and here see 27 we have taken 27 here, over here this is 1 by 3 whole cube, so 1 by 3 whole cube means 1 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, so 1 by 27, and here it is 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, and then it is I cube, so in place of I cube we will substitute minus I, so if we substitute here minus I, so minus 27I, and then it is 1 by 3I, and in place of I square, see here I have multiplied I with 1 by 3, so 1 by 3I and then plus 3I square. So in place of I square we have just put -1, so it becomes -3. So it is equal to 27, and then 27 into 3. So 27 into 3 is equal to 81. So now plus 27 minus I, because in place of I cube we have written minus I, and here it is I, so 1 by 3I. So here LCM will be 3. LCM will be 3, so it is minus 81I plus 1I, so plus minus will be subtracted, minus I into 80 by 3, and now here plus minus subtracted, so minus 80 by 27 and minus 80 by 3I. Hope question number, it is, I will verify this question again in next page, because I have given a separate space I have taken. So now I am coming to the next question. So next question is, now we are coming to the next question number 10. So here -2 minus 1 by 3 I whole to the power 3. So it is, I am just taking minus common we are taking. So here 2 plus 1 by 3 I, and then it is to the power 3. So minus 1 common I have taken. So it is minus 1 whole cube, and then 2 plus 1 by 3 I whole cube. So minus 1 whole cube means minus 1, and here a plus b whole cube. So it is in the square bracket I am at 2 cube, and then 1 by 3 cube means 27, and then I cube, then 3 into a into b, so 2 into 1 by 3 I, and then under bracket 2 plus 1 by 3 I, it will come. So now minus 1, and here 2 cube, so 2 cube is equal to 8. I cube means minus I, so here I am writing plus, and then here it is minus I by 27, and this is 3 will cancel, so 2I, so 2I under bracket 2 plus 1 by 3I. So here 8, here will be 8, and then 8 plus minus I by 27, and this multiplied, so 4I, and if you will multiply these two by distributive law, so it is 2 by 3I square. So here in place of I square we can put minus 1. So I am writing here, and this question I will do in the next page. So here, or otherwise I am just doing in the other page this question. Here you will just see, this is 8 minus I by 27, and then 4I, then minus 2 by 3, because I square is equal to minus 1, so it is 8 minus 2 by 3, and then plus 4